Hey y'all, it's okay to say and I'm back with another vlog. The vlog I will chaotic plus probably I'll just be talking and get talking on the vlog. I don't know, like me just have do things and I the vlog and I show them, but I just go for top income. I just buy one tree mirror again, and then now so me just buy one washing machine here. So yeah, me show you how it look. I'm going to wash my clothes so that tomorrow I'm going to test it out and wash it like tomorrow and so on. Hi y'all, what's up? It's Decor and this part of the video is sponsored by COOLWUFAN. So today I have two products. So I have a Christmas tree rotating stand and I have some like Christmas candles. So guys, Christmas is right around the corner. So you guys could go over there and get products from them. This is a 360-degree rotating for artificial Christmas tree. So this is a rotating stand. Alright, so this is how it looks and I will unbox it and show you guys. Okay, so I'm guessing these are the stands. So I will have to connect them up. And this is the bottom part. So this is how it looks and it comes with a part, of course, for you to plug in. So this could rotate, spin, etc. So you see a remote in there. So this is the remote. Also this is for 3 pole size. So yep, so we got 2 of these in there. Okay, so for this part this is how it should look. So you just scoot it on there like this, simple and easy and nice. I'm going to do the other 2 and then plug it in and show y'all. Okay guys, so I finished putting everything on and I put this right here. So I'm using the tree is supposed to go in here. So this is how it looks and now I'm going to plug it in to show y'all. Okay guys, so that's how it looks right there. Remember, I don't have a Christmas tree, so I don't even know if it will work. Hopefully it does without the tree. And so this is the remote. So okay, so I pressed the button and it's actually moving. Okay, just follow my hand, you see? Okay, see, it's moving. Okay guys, on to the second product. So this is a COOLWUFAN Christmas candy cane pathway lights. So they look like candy cane, you know, the Christmas candy cane. Yeah, so let me unbox it and show y'all. The link to this also will be down in my description below. Okay, so this is all they are looking. They come with string and all. So this is how they are looking, and you got these 2 sets of them and you also got a manual. Okay, so important safety instructions. It's telling you what to do, from what to not to do, how to connect it, and so for installation. So the link to these will also be down in my description. As I said before, I won't plug these in right now because they are partly lights. So yeah, so those are the 2 products. I hope y'all enjoyed this little unboxing. Now continue to watch the video. So guys, today has been so chaotic. I forgot to say, as I said, I never have like phone or nothing, but watching. Anyways, see the mirror. So I bought another mirror. Yes, so I have like 3 mirror now. You know, so yeah, I have the dresser mirror, I have the closet mirror, I have one mirror I did buy from upstairs, and then I have one mirror I ordered over there online, and now this mirror. Yeah, that's crazy. I'm believing I use them. I don't know, them just make us look. Yeah. And my braces are fit to come up on the road tomorrow. But I'm gonna buy the tree and the mirror, and I bought a washing machine. So tomorrow me I go wash, or Sunday me wash. So tomorrow I pick up on the road. So Sunday me wash. And in a beer rain, me not fall. Look what I must buy a machine. Beer rain, me not fall, but me need to wash though. I can't believe so what I go to Kingston. Okay, my clothes and I go town and I go wash, you know. What more? Crazy.
Where you go so far?
Come if it's see I wash them, I use my hand and wash them.
Some to laundry down there. One to laundry, I watch it.
Yeah, I don't know, I can't make clothes and laundry. I have time for that, okay, like.
So you're gonna give me $6
Which word?
Kingston.
Come to get money from.
I charge it a bit, brother.
Me not have that even told me I'm not have to go to Kingston. But guys, yeah. After the pre, I'm hungry right now, I'm hungry bad. Whoa, Jesus have mercy upon the money. You know, so this you should tight down. What can I see? It looks like a free work. A free may get this for. Yes, this is for my birthday, guys. So I will not be paying him. This is for my birthday, right? Right? Me not focus on you. If you focus on you, drive and me I drive. I drive though.
Oh, we are driving.
We are driving, guys. They look nothing for my birthday. So should I call him my friend? No, because anybody who not give for my birthday, I'm my friend. Yeah. Let you know when you know so when I start up YouTube back good and now I just get lazy and just.
You know get my baby.
Eh?
I get my baby.
Wanna hear that? If you wanna get what?
My baby.
Why?
You say I feel like a time for you get my baby.
Believe I have mom buckle and money to take care of myself. Sorry for my language. I was so want to like sit me but still so. Oh, I'm spending money.
Where that focus from where I gonna?
I can't put me off it. Guys, me broke. You say that I'm born to say, baby, I know I break like a back. Couldn't forget baby from.
You forgot get my baby.
You know, so my dad take up the key now. You have to go out. You have to go wait out the door. I'm gonna take up my key. Eh?
What happened to your boyfriend?
Eh?
What happened to your boyfriend?
Me not a boyfriend.
So you have your boyfriend?
Eh?
Why you not a boyfriend?
Because nobody know what this don't make sense. Right now, I want money. You know what? No man can give me money right now. The money me want. Them want sex and me want money. Money me want. Right, Louise? Right. Oh yeah, I forgot to tap. I'm gonna go for the key. Because she give me one key with you. Although my other one key with you, you know.
So I don't want key
for Amazon. Yeah.
What kind of key?
Gate key. So when you come there, service them. They gate.
So when you just cut the key with you?
And I keep cut my love. What kind of thing?
Yeah, you press one key.
Exactly, a road.
No, but you could get one see me.
No, out here, I must say 7,000 at one of them. I'm get 409 for the price there basically. So yeah, tell me so.
You know I'm not thinking alright.
I mean if nothing alright.
Like you're mentally sick. Like you're crazy.
Wait about
everything you like you're crazy.
Wait about come here and other things online?
You can't stop it.
No, me not stop it more than hear you or your class me. The man say me mentally sick. I'm crazy.
Go cut out that, you know.
Me not cut you out. Me not cut you out. Me not cut you out. So any girl out there will see me and like him, he will say my mentor, oh you can't drive in red. But when they fuck here today I'm blocking. It's like they know so we coming.
Before you go then you start like.
Guys, I'm driving into my apartment now.
Look at home people is.
I'm saying, look how the people them close. Look how they close there right there. So that not appealing for the, you know, so I'm big. You're going to see your shit, your washroom. But if I go steer.
No, steer.
Guys, we reach home. So literally, it took me like 4 minutes for each of my house. So listen to that. Anyways, I am home. But if you got machine, you know, so I can't charge the money, but hey, no machine, no machine, no machine. Huh? Hello, hello. Angle my mirror with care, please and thank you. I don't know, I buy one bag of mirror. So you see, I go let me think them. So guys, this is the washing machine. I hope it look nice now. But yeah. Yeah. This is how it looks, y'all. It's not gonna copy yet, but yeah. Oh, so some things in there. The old and everything in there. But it's big enough. But nobody really uses that, so it can wash and spin and rings. So I'm just going to learn how to use it now. It's cute, it looks small but it's decent. But why is it 40 actors? I have the 50 actors here. Why? But yeah, this is what we're working with. Per please keep out. Guys, my friend helping me. No. Push it in the holes. So I feel the same just because I'm supposed to drop out.
Say people.
So we drop out on the place.
And then you can drop out later.
Slip it in.
Okay.
Yeah, this type of, yeah, the type of thing. So in the next version, we'll come back to the machine directly. This is the machine.
We need one knife.
One knife? Yeah, I don't know. Man, the machine, nice, black point. You see people use it already. What's the machine? But now they money them I love. But I'm not thinking. No, I them something long for cover on the machine. Yeah. Read. That's it.
Here, plug in, plug in.
Something I see. Read. Start it now. No, it's just coming up for. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So what that do? What that do? Hey, don't touch it. Okay, alright then. Okay, so let's take it now. Let's look your water now. Kasi ako ng pandang yun. Kaya ako ng pandang dito. Oh, hindi sa dali. So ay water ko mo tayo. Jadi dalawa.
Bro.
Oh, ay water din ko mo. So yung pwede na sa tutan. Ay, nasa nito.
Wala lang mo.
Eh?
Wala lang mo. Sige lang mo.
Oo. So ay that din. So yeah, the lighting. I am hungry. We need to go grocery shopping. But yeah, not yet. So the mirror over there and the tree. Now me I wonder which part I'm gonna put them. More of them look cute, some of them I want spot. They look cute. See. Because I think I put it in my bedroom. I feel like it's gonna be out here. So yes. And in the shade there right there, some I forgot. Oh my. Probably the chair can go over the side there. Yeah, but I can't wait for my couch come. So my couch come, then I go to buy one TV. Oh, I'm gonna order two stools right here. My other two stools right here. So I'm gonna order the grey one to match back with guys, and then I go on to my microwave I put up there. So yeah, my place is coming together. It's coming together. I need some groceries. I honestly did really wish like the cupboards were a different color, so like probably like black. But yeah, so this is how my place looking so right now. And yes, so that's the vibe, guys. This is the mirror. So yeah, it's bigger. This is the one I bought the other day. I paid like 8,000 I had to collect this, and I paid 6,000 something today for this, but I did use bonus money and buy it away. So yeah, and this is the one I had before. So something like this. My mom I do a video or so, the tree in the background, but that means say it can't go there on the side, it has to go there behind. But yeah, ask me why I have so many mirrors. Don't ask me. So guys, this is how I did it. So it's like right here, and I put this mirror right here. So yeah, it I got fixed though, like cause I can see it kind of too big. But yeah, this is how that section is looking. I'm gonna order 2 stools to put right here. So that's the space. So that's the space where the couch will go and so forth. And guys, when it's something in there, man, it'll go look nice. Around here, so have decent amount of space because we can move. 2 people can move around here, so this part good. So this not have to come down no further or none. Yeah, my fridge is empty. How come the stuff on the scrape up the fridge, you know? Empty, yeah. So I need to go grocery shopping. This other mirror is right here. Maybe. Or I wonder if them they should come over here, so because probably all over here, so I'm never put them in. Probably not put them over here, so because I see here so kind of bright, so and then nothing will really be showing in the back. It's like how someone can do it and do a little video and that show. And yeah man, over here, so cause probably because the light. So you see over here so dark, so maybe I'll move these and put them over there. But yeah, I love them right here though. These are my nails. These are persons, by the way. But yeah, right, next time I'm gonna start my videos then mainly. I don't know something about, just look how you don't even need a full nice background. You have this like my turn to something about this yeah man, that can make a background. And yeah, so well, it's cute over here, so with the lighting like this. But yeah y'all, so I'm going to order, as I said, I'm going to order 2, I can't sit. No, this is too cute. Over here so then I stay. And then when my couch come, my couch I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna go right there. So if I could go, and I need to start cooking more often. I need to start get back active. Yes, like I need to start get back active and all that love stuff. So I go order the 2 couch, them the 2 chair where you can put around that. So that will be gone. So 2 I got to because it's kind of small, so 2 will work just fine. One. And then I invite a bunch of people over here. You know. Y'all see over here? Good. Anyways, yes, I know. Then there are 2 videos I need to go do. Me unboxing video them, you know. But yeah, so I'm gonna add them two something there. Right now I'm gonna add them power because you have onto that add that. And then add that three because something for go under the cabinet like three lights thing like and yeah, and then the my couch come and then I go want to look entertainment something. You know, so I go full up, but it's gonna be nice because most place nowadays, like the kitchen, like most place nowadays, your settee then back to the thing right there. So because my settee I got turn the way yeah, you know, so yeah, you can't go put on the wall or so. I don't want this return. I don't want to turn the way here, and can we turn the way here more than they look pan this. So you see me like when we look pan it now. So if me have the chair, me can turn this a chair. So okay, sure, fine. But my settee now I got turn the other way. So when everything done, man, everything come and set up and nice up. The place will be nice, comfortable and something. So me can. I know it look different. It look different, no? Yeah, kinda. Let me come down a little bit. Very much a blade. It look different, but see that blade I try get. Yeah, for the garden, sure. For the garden they at the front because it was like at the side or something. Anyways guys, I just saw how it have a bit. Me try look on it video, I should touch it. It cute same middle, but it just look different. It just look different, but yeah, probably miss one remember for it. But yeah, what was I saying? So yeah, my place I go full up because in my room right now. I guess I'm done with out here. So that's how there looks. That's a look. As y'all know already. Let me get a photo right there. Okay, so time for showing them a little bit in the room. I'm not gonna show them much, but yeah, so this is the mirror I put in my room. And I bought a vanity set, you know, but it's all I will show y'all the vanity. So this is how the mirror looks. As y'all can see, it's big. Yeah, way bigger than the other two that I have. Mirror. And the vanity. I got this on Shein for like $30 sorry, and I paid like $5,000 something for clear it. If you look at my TikTok, you will know it. So yeah, and mirror over there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I have a promo video to shoot right now, so that's what I'll be doing. Yes, my light isn't even on. This is my TV light. Literally, like, my place is so sweet. You know what I make it top tier? You see if the painting out there was in here, but nevertheless I still like it. But yeah, I did more talking in this vlog than showing, but I'm gonna try to do the video now, and